I was a toddler when the world first taught me what it meant to disappear, not vanish into thin air, but vanish into someone else's power. I was small, defenseless, with no way to fight back. My body was there, but myself went missing. That's what happens when you're taken over. You learn early that your no doesn't matter. You learn that silence is demanded and survival means disappearing into the cracks. And somewhere inside, a fear takes root. The fear of being engulfed, erased, consumed by someone else's will. That fear didn't stay behind with the child. It walks with me into adulthood. It shows up in my relationships, especially when love starts to feel close. I find myself bracing, certain that someone wants to use me, that their need will smother me, that I will vanish again. Even when it isn't true, the memory whispers loud enough to feel real. It's like being trapped in a maze of my own history. The walls shift, the exits vanish. I am back there in that body with no escape. But here's the truth I am learning to hold. What I feel is not always what is. Sometimes I'm in a flashback, a living photograph from my childhood projected onto the present. And even if I can't pull myself all the way out of that shadow, I can name it and I can say, this is then, not now. Because now my boundaries stand. Now I am not a child. I am not powerless. The shield I never had back then surrounds me now. I imagine it like light wrapping around me, a circle that holds me, contains me, keeps me safe from anything that would swallow me whole. It is invisible, but it is mine. It is the part of me that says, I am still here. I will not disappear. I belong to myself, and in that belonging, I am free.